V8 Jeep, I respect it. Not bad.
You are departing your lane. Please position the vehicle in the center of the lane.
Yes, you see, it sometimes likes to assume that you're departing your lane when you're actually just getting into the turning lane. Either that or you do a lane change and it thinks you're departing your lane, so it's a bit inconsistent. But I guess it does the job. You can respect it for having concern. So the night vision on it's pretty decent. It sees more than what I can see, I'll say that. Like, this is a very dark street. What the hell is rattling in the back of my car?
Speed camera. Drive carefully.
Now, it seems to detect speed cameras, but I don't think it actually does. It seems to be every time I come to this point. I don't know what it's detecting. It might be because there's a school zone up there and it's a 40 zone generally, and it's confused perhaps, I don't know. Okay, here we are. Home sweet home. I'm going to take the footage.